Welcome back to e-learning program of Modern International School. Hiswa. Friends, today's video lecture we will cover some questions of exercise 10b, chapter number 10, and the chapter name is percentage. Friends, prior to this video we had solved examples problem and some theoretical points with examples as well. Here friends, we will discuss the statement type of questions. First, we have to read very carefully, try to understand the statement or the statement form in terms of mathematics, all these stuffs. Okay, now see friends, and let's get started. Here we have taken question number 1 of exercise 10b, and the question 1 is says friends, very simple friends, and you can easily find out the solution of this question as you can find the percentage of your first term, second term, or the final terminal examination. Same question is related to your result. See friends, question number 1 says Rupesh secures 495 marks out of 750 in his annual examination. Find the percentage of marks obtained by him. क्या है आप फ्रेंड्स, हिंदी में अगर इसको समझेंगे, रुपेश ने 495 मार्क्स लाया है, कितना में 750 मार्क्स में 495 आया. ओके, देन फाइंड द परसेंटेज. तो परसेंटेज में उसने कितना मार्क्स लाया है. दिस इज द रुपेश ऑब्टेन द मार्क्स 495, बट व्हाट अबाउट द परसेंटेज ऑफ रुपेश, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, राइट ऑल द पॉइंट्स from this statement. Secured marks means obtained marks of rupees 495, total marks means 750. So this is the total marks and this is the obtained marks by the rupees. Now friends, we have to find the percentage of the obtained marks. Write the percentage of obtained marks. So here friends, have a look. Now friends, see, then the percentage obtained by percentage of marks obtained, percentage of obtained marks. इस obtained marks का percentage कितना होगा friends? First you have a look. Whatever the number rupees secured, write the number, multiply by 100 and divided by total marks. Okay friends, now friends, have a look, or either we can say once again friends, percentage of obtained marks. इसका अगर परसेंटेज निकालना है, वट एवर द नंबर ही सिक्योर्ड, राइट द नंबर्स, जितना मार्क्स लाए उतने लिखेंगे, उसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे परसेंटेज करने के लिए, और डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल मार्क्स. टोटल मार्क्स फ्रेंड्स 750. नाउ फ्रेंड्स हियर 1010 विल गेट कैंसिल. 5 टू जा फ्रेंड्स 10 एंड 5 टाइम ये 15 टाइम से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 15 टाइम्स 75. नाउ फ्रेंड्स 15 1 जा 15, बिकॉज 15 3 जा फ्रेंड्स 45, 4 is here, once again 15 3 ja 45. Now friends, your answer 33 multiply by 2, this gives us friends 66%. So I hope friends you will be grasp and the percentage obtained by him 66%. Now see friends, question number 2 says the monthly salary of a typist is 15,625. If he gets an increase of 12%, find his new salary. Friends, he is the one person who is typist and he got the salary 15,625, but he gets an increment of 20% of the salary. Increment 20% of the salary. What will be the new salary? That we have to find. Now friends, see, very simple. The new salary is friends, new salary SALARY, new salary of a typist, TYPIST, of a typist is equal to, friends, very simple, is equal to, now this as it is friends is equal to is here 15,625 as it is, then 50% 12% increment means friends add, then 12% of which this amount का 12%, now 15,065 multiply by 12%, 12 by 100 friends. So this is the increment amount friends, increment money, and this is the basic salary. If you add this increment to this basic, then this man will get the new salary. So now friends, this as it is, write down as it is, or either we can say that take the LCM friends, yeah, take the common points because these points are the common. So please bring out, okay friends, bring out this. Then here is nothing but here is the 1 friends, because if you multiply this with 1 as it is friend, then plus, then right friends, this is because this number is going to be out, and this here is the plus, and then 12 by 100 is as it is friends. Okay, or either friends, or either find the value of this increment, then add to the basic salary, we will get the required new salary. Okay, it is up to you which method is very easier, then we have to see. So here friends, either we can get cancel, this is 112, or we will get cancel as the here friends 250 times में, and or either friends 4 times में 25, and this is 4 3 the friends. So now 1 5 6 2 5, here friends 1, and this is 3 by 25. Now calculate friends, 1 5 6 2 5, this is take the LCM, 25 is the LCM friends, so this is 25 plus this is 3. Now friends, this becomes, this is 15,625 multiply by add, this is 28 friends, and divided by 25. Now friends, if you divide, now see friends, 5 5 ja 25, and this huge number 15,625 will get cancelled by 5 because one place is 5. So friends, 5 3 ja 15, 6 5 1 ja 5, 1 is here 12, 5 2 ja 10 friends, and 5 5 ja 25. Once again this 5 1 ja 5 friends, and this number will also get cancelled by 5. 5 6 ja friends 30, and this is 12, 5 2 ja friends 2, and then 5 5 ja 25. So 625. So this huge number 15,625 will get cancelled by 625 times of 5. So this 6 to 5 multiply by friends 28. After multiplying friends, we will get this 1752 times 0. This is rupees. So this is your required salary, means new salary. I hope friends you will understand. Now see friends, next question. Question number 3 says the excise duty on a certain item has been reduced to 760 rupees from rupees 950. Find the reduction percent in the excise duty. So friends, the excise duty on a certain item, किसी एक आइटम पे जो excise duty है, मतलब उत्पाद कर जो है, वो आपको 950 रुपया से 760 रुपया कर दिया गया. ओके, तो कितना रिडक्शन हुआ उसका परसेंटेज फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड लेते हैं रिडक्शन फ्रेंड्स. नाउ सी द रिडक्शन. रिडक्शन मतलब कमी कितनी हुई थी, कितने. द एक्साइज ड्यूटी ऑन ए सर्टेन आइटम हैज़ बिन रिड्यूस्ड, मतलब कम किया जाता है, मतलब उत्पाद पे जो कर है वो कम किया जाता है, रिड्यूस किया जाता है से कितना से 950 रुपये से 760 रुपया. तो रिडक्शन कितना हुआ फ्रेंड्स, 950 माइनस 760 रुपीज़. ये आपका क्या होगा, रिडक्शन. ओके, नाउ फाइंड द रिडक्शन. व्हाट द अमाउंट इज, दिस इज 0 माइनस 0 0, this is 15 friend, 15 minus 6, this is 9, and this becomes 8. 8 minus 7 friend, this is 1. Now friend, this is rupees, this is reduction, and now we have to find the reduction percent in the excise duty on that item. इस item पे इसका percentage क्या होगा. Now reduction percentage friends, percentage of reduction, या reduction percentage, percentage of reduction. whenever you are going to find the percentage, friend, see the value, see the reduction. But reduction is 190, then multiply by 100 and out of 9 and 50 फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि 950 रुपया ही पहले बेस न था, बेसिक अमाउंट क्या था 950. So this is the basic and divided by 950 as you sold. And just previous minute ago, friends, the question, find the percentage marks obtained by him. This is the same question. This looks like the percentage mark. Suppose this is the marks and this is the total. So this multiply by the 100 and divided by total. So this and this will get cancelled. So 19 5 ja friends, this is 95, 19 1 ja 90, 95 and 5 1 ja 5 and 5 20 times will get cancelled 100. So this is friends 20%. This is reduction exercise duty on that item. I hope friends you will get. Now see friends, question number 4 says 96% of the cost of a TV is rupees 10,464. What is his total cost? Friends, मान लेते हैं, write this first solution. Let total cost of our TV is friends X rupees. We consider, okay. Now what about this statement? Says this statement says 96%, right? According to the question, very simple question. 96% of friends the cost of a TV. So the cost of a TV, friends, here is X, right? The X is friends equal to, and this 10464. So friends, the percentage questions are not very typical, friends. Only you have to clear the concept and apply, and you will get the solution of every question. So now see friends, solve 96, and you know friends, percentage means divided by 100, of means friends multiply X as it is, that we have to find, is equal to friends 1046 and this is 4. Now after cross multiplications, friends, this is 1 as it is, 96 into X multiply by 1 as it is, friends, 96 into X. So this 10,464 will going to multiply with 100, friends. Now X is equal to, X becomes, friends, this right as it is, do not multiply right now, friends, 100 and divided by, this is 96. Now friends, now see friends, this will get cancelled by 96, will get cancelled by 4, 100 is also will get cancelled by 4. So this is 4 times by 4 2 ja friends 8, and then 4 5 ja 20. This will also get cancelled, 4 2 ja 8, friends, and 4 4 ja, this is 16. Now see friends, here is 25. So this 24. This 24 will get cancelled by 8, and this will get also cancelled by 8. Now here friends, see X is equal to, now see friends, only cutting, this is 10 4 6 4 multiply by 25 and divided by, friends, this is 24. Now see friends, very carefully, 8 3 ja friends, 8 3 ja 24, okay, 8 2 ja, 8 1 ja 8, 2 is balance 24, then 8 3 ja 24, friends, 0, then 8 8 ja 64. Now see friends, once again this 1308 will get cancelled by 3 because the sum of its digit is 12, which is divisible by 3. So this is 3 1 ja 3, friends, and now 3 4 ja friends 12 becomes 10, 3 3 ja friends 9, and it becomes 18, and 3 6 ja friends 18. So now calculation, friends, 4 3 6 multiply by, this is 25. 5. After multiplying friends, we will get 1092 times. This is rupees. So this is the required solution. So the value of x means total cost of a TB is equal to x 10,900. Now see friends, question number 5 says 70% of the students in a school are boys and the number of girls is 504. Find the number of boys in the school. Very simple question friends. Here look at friends, the candidate boys are 70% in a school and we have to find the number of boys. Okay, very simple. Now first see friends, let total number of students TD and total number of students in a school friends is x. Okay, total number of students in a school is x. Total number means x include boys and girls as well. Okay, यानी x में boys भी है और girls भी है. But here friend, now find the percent. Here is the given, here the number of girls is given friends. So it should be very easy that we have to find the percentage of girls. But here one thing is given friend, percentage of boys is given, but the percentage of girls is not given. So find the percentage of girls, then equate with the help of this. Now friends see, since the percentage of boys in a school friends is equal to 70%. Okay, इसलिए now percentage of girls in a school means 17% boys, that means 30% girls. How friends, 100 minus 17 becomes friends 30%. Okay, बिकॉज परसेंटेज तो 100 की बात होती है ना, 100 में 70 ये हो गया तो बचा कितना, 30% गर्ल्स की होगी. ओके, आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, अब अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, वेरी सिंपल. एंड हियर सेज द 30%. ये 30% व्हाट, 30% ऑफ द टोटल स्टूडेंट्स फ्रेंड्स. टोटल स्टूडेंट मीन्स एक्स. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, हियर द 30% गर्ल्स मीन्स 30% ऑफ एक्स बिकम्स कितनी है गर्ल्स की तादाद, 504. सो दिस इज the equation. Now friends, solve this. 30 means 30 friends and percentage means divided by 100 and x means multiply x, 504 friends. Here 1010 will get cancelled friends. Then we can write here that this is 3x friends. Here is 1 after cross multiplication. So this 504 multiply by this 10 friends, because 10 will get cancelled. So now here x is equal to friends 504 multiply by 10 divided by this is 3 friends. So this is 3 1 3 friends. This number will get cancelled. How friends? Because sum of its digit is 9 and which is divisible by 3. So this will get cancelled by 3. 3 1 3. 3 1 3 friends. It becomes 20. 3 6 18. It becomes 24. 3 8 24. Now x is equal to friends 1681 times 0. So this is total number of students in a school, but we have to find the number of boys friends. That means if the subtract number of girls from this, we will get the required. Now friends, hence therefore number of boys is equal to total students. Here the total students 1680 माइनस नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स. अब टोटल बॉय, यहाँ पे बॉयज़ भी है और गर्ल्स भी है. इस बॉयज़ गर्ल्स में से आप गर्ल्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो बॉयज़ बचेगा. दिस इज वाई वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. नो वी विल गेट फ्रेंड्स 1176. सो दिस इज योर आंसर. आई होप फ्रेंड्स यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. नो फ्रेंड्स, सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. एन और contains 12% copper. How many kilograms of the ore are required to get 69 kg of copper? Here the copper 12% is given. Now friends, let how many kilograms of ores, let the required ores let the required horse friends is x kg. Okay, suppose this is x kg. Now friends, then the question says friends, how many kg kilograms of ore, let the required ore means friends कच्ची धातु. Okay, ore is x kg required. Okay, are how many kilograms of the ores are required, कितनी kilograms ore की ज़रूरत है to get 69, प्राप्त करने 69 kg of copper. Now friends, according to the question says here the total ores is x, that means total required ore is x. Now the x 12% of this or 12% of this or becomes कितनी friends 69 kg. So this is 12 by 100 multiply by x, this is equal to 69. Now this is 4 3 ja friends and 425 times में. So this is 3x after cross multiplication. 69 multiply by this is 25. Now x is equal to friends 69 multiply by 25 divided by 3. So this becomes 3 2 ja friends and 3 3 ja 9 multiply by 25. This will get cancelled. Okay, 23 times. Hence we can say the x is equal to 575 kg. This is the required ores. I hope friends you will understand now. Now friends, see the question number 7 is very interesting question. See friends, here 36% of the maximum marks is required to pass a test. A student gets 123 marks and is declared fail by 39 marks. And is declared fail by 39 marks. Find the maximum marks means friends we have to find the total marks. As you know friends about your examination, because you got the marks and sometimes you got 3 or 5 or sometimes a little marks is less, so you will declare as fail. So here friends, consider the total marks means maximum marks is x, and now the pass marks is given friends as a statement 36% of the maximum marks. That means 36%, 36% maximum marks का 36% क्या है, pass marks है. तो first we have to find the pass marks. Now friends, 36% of x, so x is considered as the maximum marks. 36% of maximum marks means friends pass marks. Okay, now here friends, a student gets 123 marks. एक स्टूडेंट छात्र है जो 123 मार्क्स प्राप्त करता है और उसे घोषित कर दिया जाता है कि आप 39 नंबर से फेल हो जाते हो. कितने नंबर से हो गया फेल. अगर ये 39 नंबर इसमें ऐड कर दे फ्रेंड, तो ये जो छात्र है वो क्या हो जाएगा, पास हो जाएगा. डैट मीन्स ये भी पास मार्क्स हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ फ्रेंड्स दिस इज पास मार्क्स इज गिवेन एज ए स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म विथ परसेंटेज मीन 36% ऑफ एक्स इज गिवेन. पास मार्क्स है, दिस इज पास मार्क्स. सो नाउ फ्रेंड्स फाइंड द पास मार्क्स इन नंबर फॉर्म. So here friends 133, this is fail marks. If we add 39 to this fail marks becomes pass marks. तो ये 123 से वो नंबर ला के वो फेल हो जाता है कितना से 39 नंबर है, उसमें ऐड कर देंगे तो ये भी क्या हो जाएगा फ्रेंड, पास हो जाएगा. सो हैव अ लुक फ्रेंड्स, here is the pass marks, here is the pass marks. So these two marks are said to be equal friends. Hence according to the questions 36% of x is left hand side is equal to 123 plus 39 after adding 162. Now 36 friends, as it is percentage means out of 100 divided by 100 multiply out मतलब multiply, and this is x. So x is equal to friends 162 cross multiplication multiply by 100, and this 36 will be divided by this divided by 36. Now friends, now this 6 6 are friends 36 and 6 2 are friends 12 and 6 2 are 12. Okay, and now you get 42 6 7 are friends 42, 3 2 are friends 6, 3 3 are friends 9. Okay, and 2 1 are 2 friends and 2 15 times you get cancel. So 9 5 are friends 45. So 45 total marks is 45. Now the maximum marks is friends, maximum marks is friends 400 and 50. Okay, this is answer. Now see friends, question number 8 says A fruit seller had some apples. He sells 40% of them means जितना एप्पल है उसका 40% वो सेल करता है. एंड स्टिल हैज़ 420 एप्पल्स. और बच उसके पास अभी कितना 420 एप्पल्स है बेचने के बाद. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स ही हैड ओरिजिनली. उसके रियल में कितने उसके एप्पल्स थे वो फाइंड आउट करना. नाउ फ्रेंड्स लेट a fruit seller had suppose originally had x apples. Okay, now friends see, he sells 40% of them. यानी x का ये 40% बेचता है. डेटा अगर सपोज फ्रेंड्स एक मैं बात करूँ, सपोज उसके पास अगर 100 एप्पल रहा. ओके, 40% उन्होंने बेच दिया. 40% मीन्स यानी इसका 40% मीन्स 100 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 40/100 वो बेच दिया. तो उसके पास अभी कितना बचा, जो बचा उसके साथ इक्वेट कर देंगे. एक्स मैंने 100 की जगह मैंने एक्स लिया फ्रेंड्स. ओके, एक्स. तो ये एक्स ये टोटल नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स हैं. और बेचने वाली एप्पल्स की अमाउंट कितनी है, तो बेचने वाली 40% किसका, इसका. यानी x मल्टीप्लाई बाई 40/100. ये एप्पल्स फ्रेंड्स बेच दिए गए और ये टोटल एप्पल्स थे. तो बेचे गए जो एप्पल्स आप जो टोटल एप्पल्स में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, तो जो सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे वो जो बचेगा वो क्या आ जाएगा 420. बस यही करना है. दिस इज द फंडा, दिस इज द कंसेप्ट. वंस अगेन फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट कंसिडर द टोटल एप्पल्स दैट ही हैड. उसके पास टोटल एप्पल्स मैंने x मान लिया. एंड he sells 40% of x. 40% ऑफ x का 40% सेल किया तो ये तो एप्पल नहीं रहा ना. ये एप्पल वहाँ से उसे बेच दिया. तो बेच दिया मतलब टोटल एप्पल में से ये घटा देंगे और बचा एप्पल कितना 420, वो इक्वल हो जाएगा. ओके, यही करना. एंड नाउ सॉल्यूशन. नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू द डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस, अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, और अदर वी कैन, या फिर सेलिंग एप्पल्स, नंबर ऑफ सेलिंग एप्पल्स फाइंड कर सकते हैं. नंबर ऑफ सेलिंग एप्पल्स, सेलिंग एप्पल्स 40% ऑफ देम मीन एक्स का 40%, एक्स मल्टीप्लाई बाई 40/100 फ्रेंड्स. नाउ दिस विल गेट कैंसिल. 4 1 जा 4 फ्रेंड्स, सॉरी 2 2 जा 4 and 2 5 जा. So this is friends 2x/5 apples. Okay, now then still has remaining apples friends. So remaining apples friends, क्या remaining apples, this is the remaining apples. बेचने के बाद जो बचा उसके पास वो है. और now here the remaining apples, x is the total friends, और subtract कर देंगे 2x/5. So this becomes the remaining apples. Now this remaining apple is equal to friends 420. Now solve friends. Here friends 1 is hidden. Okay, now take the LCM. This is 5 as LCM. Now divide by 1. This is 5. 5 multiplied by x, 5x friends, minus 2x as it is equal to 420. Now friends this is 5x minus 2x. This becomes 3x, and cross multiplication friends, this is 420 multiplied by 5. Now x is equal to friends 420 multiplied by 5 divided by this is 3. Now friends 42 will get cancelled by 3. 3 1 ja friends 3. 3 1 ja is, or either here friends, now I am going to cut here. X is equal to 420 multiplied by 5 divided by 3. 3 1 ja friends 3, and 3 4 ja 12, and 1 0. Now x is equal to friends multiply 14 7 5 ja friends 70, 1 times 0. Now friends 700. Number of apples a fruit seller had 700. A fruit seller had 700 number of apples. This is your answer. Now see friends, question number 11 says, because friends question number 9, question number 10, question number 12, and the question number 13, 14. So do yourself. Now see the question number 11. A gunpowder contains 75% of nitrate and 10% of sulfur, and the rest of it is charcoal. Now find the amount of charcoal in 8 kg of gunpowder. Now friends, write whatever the given nitrate. NIT, it should be nitrate. The spelling should be wrong. ठीक है. Nitrate is 25% given. Write down, wrote it down, and the sulfur is 10%. Okay. Now the rest for charcoal means, friends, if 100, that means add this 2%, then subtract from 100, so becomes this is 15%, and the charcoal is 15%. Now the 50% of charcoal is containing in 8 kg, friends, charcoal. Okay, in 8 kg, इस 8 kg में charcoal की material amount कितनी, 15%. Now the amount of charcoal in 8 kg, friends, 15%. इस 8 kg का 15%, very simple friends, 15%. 8 multiply by 15%, 15 by 100, 15 by 100. So now friends, 15 3 ja and 15 20 times will get cancelled. Here friends, 8 multiply by 3 divided by 20. 2 से friends 2 10 ja and 2 4 ja friends 8. Only 2 4 ja 8. Now 4 3 ja 12 and divided by 10. Now friends, 1.2 kg. This is your answer. Means the amount of charcoal in 8 kg is 1.2 kg. I hope friends you will enjoy with this video lecture. Now your homework is question number from 1 to 14. Friends, if you have any doubt, confusion, whether a little bit or the big confusion, so please ask me, contact me, or comment in the comment box below. Have a nice day.